Yeah, what's up? Freestyle session. This one's the last one. Just got a thing to get on my chest before you're done with me. I wanna thank the Lord for giving me this life. My two legs, my two arms, and a voice to speak and say what I feel. Life ain't easy sometimes. When you got faith, when you got hope, everything can be possible. I know anger can be cured with joy, and pain be cured with love. Then I let my evil ways be cured by a God above. It's not me against the world, it's me against myself. I realize that when I wanna be better, the street make me harder. My best teacher, growing up without a father. Tupac raised me like most of us. Ali lead me to fight with glove, but I guess I'm not a good follower. It don't get easier, we get bigger, and still hope Christ will come back to walk on water. Life hard, life tough, there's no cheat code. The Bible says it always been this cold, but please don't fold. Look how far we made it. Now put your hands up and have your faith reload. You can be a champion, young and die hero. You can be the chosen one like Neo. You can represent and save all your people. If you give up all your ego, just let it be and let it go. Just let it be and let it go, let it go. Don't let people bring you down, bring you down. Don't let them change you, change you. J'ai rien à dire, t'as traversé le pire. La vie a encore plein de choses à t'offrir. Juste continue d'écrire et crois-moi, même le diable pourra plus te mentir. Je sais que des fois t'as envie de t'enfuir. À travers la musique, tu vois ton empire. Alors garde la tête haute, fais-les sentir que nous on a la mélodie dansant, prêt pour le pire. Quand tu chantes, c'est pas toi que j'entends, c'est Dieu que j'entends. Et tout le monde te le dit, c'est pas moi qui te mens. Quand on a le talent, il faut aller de l'avant. On écoute ce que tu as à dire, on se fout de l'accent. Ils te diront comment le faire, mais l'ont jamais fait. Juste dis-leur que tu savais dans quoi tu t'embarquais. On peut pas plaire à tout le monde, même toi-même tu le sais. On peut pas plaire à tout le monde, mais toi-même tu le sais, tu le sais. Juste reste toi, reste vrai, reste vrai. Juste reste toi.